Hey guys, welcome back. Today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add LinkedIn link to resume in Canva. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Canva and select your resume template or even open an existing resume. If you don't have one, search for a resume template and choose one of you like. Step 2. Add the LinkedIn link. Scroll to the contact info section. Then add a new text box. Type LinkedIn. Highlight the URL and click the link icon at the top. Paste your full LinkedIn URL in the pop-up box and hit enter to make it clickable. Step 3. Customize your text. Now, customize the font size and color to match your resume style. You can even add a LinkedIn icon for extra flair by searching link icon in Canvas elements. Step 4. Once you're done, hit download in the top right corner and choose PDF format to save your resume with a clickable LinkedIn link. And that's it. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.